Hi everyone, welcome back to the beauty of living life on God's terms. Today, we're diving into step 3, made a decision to turn our will and our lives over to the care of God as we understood Him. This is such a powerful and freeing step because it's about surrendering control to the one who loves us unconditionally. Step 3 invites us to trust God with our lives, recognizing that His plan is far greater than anything we could imagine. Proverbs 3 verses 5 to 6 says, "Trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not on your own understanding, in all your ways submit to Him, and He will make your paths straight." Turning our will over doesn't mean giving up, it means stepping into true freedom. When we try to control everything ourselves, we often end up frustrated and overwhelmed. But when we place our lives in God's hands, we find peace, purpose, and direction. The Most High reminds us in Matthew 11 verses 28 to 30, "Come to me, all you who are weary and burdened, and I will give you rest. Take my yoke upon you and learn from me, for I am gentle and humble in heart, and you will find rest for your souls. For my yoke is easy and my burden is light." What an incredible promise! I've found in my own journey that surrendering my will to God didn't happen overnight, it's a daily decision. But as I've continued to seek Him, just like Matthew 6 verse 33 reminds us to, I've experienced His guidance and grace in ways I never thought possible. It's not about being perfect, it's about being willing. And the beauty is, when we take that first step of trust, God meets us right where we are. If you're struggling with this step, remember you don't have to do it alone. Pray, lean into His Word, and ask Him to guide you. Isaiah 41 verse 10 says, "So do not fear, for I am with you, do not be dismayed, for I am your God. I will strengthen you and help you, I will uphold you with my righteous right hand." Thank you for joining me today. If this message encouraged you, please like, share, and subscribe for more.